When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love.
Alright guys, we are now officially in Arizona.
Arizona.
Nevada is right over there across the bridge on the other side. Isn't this beautiful, Mine Shots?
Okay.
You like it?
It's okay.
Yeah, that means he likes it, guys. It's me. So we just finished our tour of the Hoover Dam. Beautiful. The sun was shining. The wind was blowing. It was so nice. So we're really excited that we chose to come to the West Coast because originally we wanted to go to Florida. So beautiful. Now, like I said, we're on our way to the Grand Canyon in Arizona. So we're so excited to see what that state has to offer as well. You're excited, Mine Shots? He's the driver today. He's been driving, and I really appreciate that. I'll drive when we go back. All right, guys, we'll keep you posted. Bye.